APPLEDENTAL is a brand based on diversified dental products, focusing on better quality at the same price, better price at the same quality. APPLEDENTAL have exclusive agents in more than 70 countries worldwide. There are more than 3 million dentists using APPLEDENTAL's handpieces. To build a famous dental diamond burst brand in China, in 2020, 20 million RMB was invested to gather a group of excellent engineers in super hard alloy materials, chemical engineering, precision manufacturing, and measurement. Introduce German Leica microscopes, Japan Kien's high-precision shape dimension measurement system, and establish a chemical analysis laboratory. We research and develop dental rotary product durability test platform independently, and introduced the first intelligent manufacturing production line of dental diamond burrs in China. APPLEDENTAL Dental Diamond Burrs devote to developing and manufacturing a full series of high-quality diamond burrs, Class 2 medical instruments for dentists, including corrosion and caries removal, crown breaking and pulp opening, routine tooth preparation, special for children, surgical tooth extraction, trimming and polishing of a number of series of nearly more than 200 models to fully satisfy the needs of dental hospitals, dental clinics, a one-stop shop for the full range of rotary regrinding consumables. We also actively develop in-depth technical cooperation with Harbin Engineering University on precision dental rotary grinding products and constantly improve craft level, committing to realizing domestic substitution of imports in the field of high-end dental grinding consumables, and providing high-performance, high-effective products and services for dentists.